Most of the daily living products also can use clear plastic box package. This is underwear clear pillow box with soft crease. Besides the special soft crease, the material is also very special. We use anti-scratch material. No matter how we scratch the surface, there won't have any scratch on the box. This is the pillow box for pocket. This one also do the soft crease. You can add hanger on the pillow box, and you can choose the hanger style. We also have the clear box for towel. According to the product size like these Libon products, we can design different size boxes for them. This Libon box package uses the inside plastic shirt insert to prevent the Libon from moving. We can design the big clear box for shoes. This clear shoe box has beautiful decorative design, and they'll have the inside card to divide the shoes. Because the shoe box size is big, it requires to use thicker material. This box's thickness is 0.55mm PVC material.